Alright, so this morning I decided to build a toilet for the cabin. It's just a temporary toilet to use. Thought it's kind of funny because I used an ammo crate wood. It says propellant explosives solid class B. But anyways, it's got hinges on the back. You raise the lid and then you have the toilet. This comes out so you can empty your bucket, and obviously you put a heavy trash bag in the bucket, and you can put kitty litter in there, and when you go to the bathroom, just put some more kitty litter. I used the pine paneling to make it. It took me about an hour or so. So that's the toilet.